Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video we'll be looking at putchar. So basically, the putchar is a function used to display single character on the screen, like let's say a letter, a symbol, a number, and stuff like that. Alright, we'll head over to code block and play with the syntax. So the syntax is very simple. I could just come down here and put the word putchar, open up my brackets for my single quotation marker. Let's say I want to display the letter A, close my line. So when I build and run, you see it's going to display A. So you can see here, you can see the single letter A. Now let's say there are other ways. Let's say I want to write A and I want to also write B. I can copy this and go down, paste it. Now change the letter inside to B. So when I build and run, it's going to display A, B. So you can see here, it shows A, B. So if I don't want it to be on the horizontal line, I can put them in a vertical line. So to do that, I'll just put a new line here. So let me copy this and then put a new line that's forward slash, is it forward or backward? Okay, backward. So when I build and run, it's going to be, the B will be on a new line. So you can see the B is now on a new line. So that's one way of using the putchar. So we have another way, and that's like a better way of doing this. Instead of doing it like this, I'm going to create a variable here using char to show that it's a character. Let's call this variable A. Let's call it X rather, and X is equal to my single quotation mark. I can put an A here, come to the end and close, and then when I come here, I'll just say putchar. I'll put the name of my variable X. So I can remove sorry about that. I can remove this, and when I build and run, it's still going to work just fine. So you can see it's still showing A. So from here, you can do a lot of things. Let's say you want to display like the first four letters A, B, C, D. So that's very simple. You can use a for loop or a while loop. So I can come here. This is already A. So all I need to do is let me use my while loop. While I'll put my condition inside. While X is less than or equal to where do I want to stop? I want to stop at D. So then I'll open up my curly braces, putchar, put my X there, and then close. So when I do this now and run, it's going to write from A to D. Okay, there's a little problem. Yeah, it's going to just write A because I didn't put the increments. So it's supposed to be X, then my plus plus. Now let me build and run, and you see it's going to write A, B, C, D. So you can see that on the screen. We have A, B, C, D. Now, depending on how you want it, if you want it to be on like a vertical space, you can also do that by putting a new line before this. So you can copy this and paste it here, and then put a new line /n. Now, when I build and run, you see it's going to be vertical, no longer horizontal. I think there's a little problem somewhere. Okay, no quotation mark. Okay, let's build and run. So you can see it's vertical now. All right, so these are like various ways you can play with the putchar. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.